In this video we take a detailed look at two boat lifts. First is a Kone M series TMS Marine Edition. This lift is crazily efficient, just like a regular Kone M series TMS. It has full intelligent levelling and the deacceleration is perfectly controlled and has no levelling stage. This is amazing for a lift on a boat. This lift has to cope with all the forces of rough sea, which can be harsh and at random moments, but the lift runs like nothing is affecting it. It lands at a floor ever so quickly and smoothly, and without tolerances built in for the unexpected, like you would expect for a boat lift. The design and engineering of this lift is amazing. Firstly, let's ride this lift while the boat is in the harbour.
This is quick actually for a boat.
It more looks like it can be locked off.
Oh, nice.
I bet
Crew only. Oh, what a shame. I don't think we can get there, can we?
you can.
Yeah. The way you get caught straight away.
Right, we can open the door and then we close it again.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is really nice. Good. I didn't expect lift of this quality.
There's a woman stood out there like, and there was like an airport flight attendant.
There's like 1.5 minutes a second on a boat. It's so good.
Why does it shadow ever so slightly?
You'll find out when you get on top of it.
Now, let's ride the lift while the boat is at sea.
Let's go back to locked.
Oh, locked.
Back.
Oh, what a shame. I think we can still walk down there if we go down the staircase. Oh, what's the code?
Look for
1, 2, 3, 4. There wasn't really much rare.
Except.
Oh, it's not allowed. Strictly not allowed. See, the deck's not even present at the moment. It lifts up. Deck 6.
Oh, we can get on the coach.
We got bus surfing time! Oh, what an epic spot to do bus surfing. This is too good.
And that's just
That's just driving.
Locked! The shaft looks so good.
And now, let's get on top this awesome lift. Surfing lifts on boats is an amazing experience. In the video, you don't realise the forces the lift is working with. The lift stops as efficiently as it was on land, rather than a boat. Actually, most lifts on land do not stop anywhere near this efficiently. Also, look how well built and heavy duty this lift is.
Oh wow, that is a good lift.
been the last door, don't you?
Boat is at sea. It feels very weird.
Now to the next boat lift, which is a Lutz lift. This lift has its floors locked at sea. This lift is nice and heavy duty. It does not have the stopping efficiency of the Kone, but it's still a very good lift.
No entry floor.
Should we see if we can get there?
Yeah.
Our magical master key, which we were given by the captain to explore their lift.
Master key.
For crew only.
What would you do if it opens and we have captain's quarters?
We are. It's the captain's quarters.
Oh,
yeah, he's locked.
Oh dear, is it really?
Oh, we're not
Is
going
it
to
locked?
get there.
Master key. Mastercard. You have to say like that as well. Mastercard. We're the masters.
Deck 3A.
Key removed.
There's absolutely nothing here. It's 10 still. I don't quite get the purpose of it.
There's not even the weird.
There's nothing here. There's a door up there.
It looks nothing like 4 pounds.
Oh, decks are now locked. We are now at C.
We could go to our private, you know, like a priority, authorised persons only.
Oh, this is really shaking now.
Deck 6.
Mastercard.
Now to the locked off service Lutz lift. This lift looks very nice and runs very well.
Does it need Mastercard?
Yeah, Mastercard. Oh, it's too good, is it? Deck 8.
Oh look, loading
Yeah,
and
like
unloading
cancelled.
stores for this lift.
Cancelled, yeah.
It must go to shops.
You're very nuts. Tells you how to escape the lift, eh?
Lutz.
Well, she tells you how to interlock and everything.
Yeah, look,
Is it?
I don't know what happened. How did I get in the staff lift? Well, I don't believe we got into the sleeping quarters for the staff. That's quite amazing. Deck 7.
Let's get on top it. Lift shafts on boats look so awesome. It was risky surfing this lift.
Where do you go to the mountain, man?
Oh, that counterweight looks nice. Mastercard. This is the Mastercard.
White tracks.
Let's go on next one.
This stops me really fast again.
How do you go?